Welcome to my channel Wheelie Smart. Number 5. Nuna Pipa RX. Unmatched safety and lightweight design. The Nuna Pipa RX tops the list with its exceptional crash-mediated crash test results and lightweight design. Weighing only 8.5 pounds, it's easy to carry, and its rigid latch system ensures a secure, hassle-free installation. The seat features a load leg for added stability and a no-rethread harness for quick adjustments. Its premium padding and sleek design make it a favorite for parents seeking both safety and style. Compatible with many strollers, it's perfect for on-the-go families. Number 4. Chicco KeyFit 35. Easy installation and longevity. The Chicco KeyFit 35 is a standout for its simplicity and extended use, accommodating babies up to 35 pounds or 32 inches. Its super cinch latch system allows for quick, secure installation, even in tight spaces. The seat includes a removable infant insert for newborns and multiple recline positions for comfort. Testers praise its easy-to-clean fabric and robust safety features, including side impact protection. Its compatibility with Chicco strollers adds versatility for busy parents. Number 3. UPPAbaby Aria. Lightweight luxury. At just 6.5 pounds, the UPPAbaby Aria is the lightest high-performing infant car seat, ideal for parents who prioritize portability. It offers a no-rethread harness, color-coded installation indicators, and a load leg for enhanced safety. The Aria's compatibility with UPPAbaby strollers, and others with adapters, makes it a seamless choice for urban families. Its plush padding ensures babies' comfort, though its stroller compatibility is slightly limited compared to others. Number 2. Clek Liing. Robust safety features. The Clek Liing is renowned for its rigid latch system, which provides a rock-solid installation that feels integrated with the vehicle. It boasts superior crash test results, particularly for head injury prevention, and includes a metal load leg for stability. At 9 pounds, it's slightly heavier but offers 7 recline positions and flame retardant-free fabrics. Its premium build and safety features justify its higher price for safety-conscious parents. Number 1. Britax Willow S. Budget-friendly performance. The Britax Willow S offers excellent crash test results at a more affordable price point. It features a click-tight lock-off for easy seat belt installation and an anti-rebound bar for added safety. Weighing 10.5 pounds, it balances portability and durability. The seat's adjustable harness and infant insert ensure a snug fit for growing babies. It's a practical choice for families seeking high safety standards without breaking the bank. Conclusion: choosing the right car seat. These top 5 infant car seats for 2025 combine cutting-edge safety, ease of use, and comfort, catering to diverse needs. Whether you prioritize lightweight portability, budget friendliness, or premium features, these seats ensure your baby's safety on every journey. Always follow manufacturer guidelines and check vehicle fit for optimal performance. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.